I'm Donald Washington. I'm the Weed Stock Investor. I'm going to bring you guys to the top 5 websites to research marijuana stocks. Now, if you guys are invested in marijuana stocks, you absolutely need to do your own research. You absolutely need to find out about these companies. One of the things that I've noticed is that when I first started investing in marijuana stocks, when you Google it, you get the same stuff over and over again. Even if you type in the top marijuana penny stocks, you get the same ones. You get the Canopy, you get the Tilray, you get the Aurora Cannabis. And I'm like, yo, Kronos Group. And I'm like, yo, this is not even what I Googled. What I believe is that they pay people to go out and blog about their sites. I've seen sites that you Google top marijuana stocks to invest in, and Aurora comes up. Some of these sites come up and their stocks are just constantly going down. And I had to do my own research and dig a lot deeper. That's why I want to do the research for you, so that you don't have to do the research. You can come to my channel and I'll do the research for you, and also teach you how to do your own research. Now, the top 5 websites. One of my favorite websites. This will be my number 1 right here. It's, as you guys can see down here, you see New Cannabis Ventures. This is the website here. What I like about this site is this. It breaks down the stock for you. Because Canada only has, 36 million people. So they break down the stock. They break down American stock, Canadian. Also, not only that, they bring you the ranking. So let's say if you're confused about which marijuana stock and where your stock lies, this actually breaks it down and ranks the marijuana stock. So you can see the latest news, events, resources, up and coming, featured stocks, investors, interview, American broken down, different American stock news, different Canadian stock news. Now, this is the ranking. If you guys see, this breakdown of quarterly earnings. If you guys were to do this on your own and go through each and every quarterly earnings, it would be all day. Now, you can see the latest quarterly earnings. You see True Leaf at the top, which is an American company. GW Pharma, MedMen. Even though MedMen's dropped down to under $2 now, you can see that they're still making good money. You can see their last quarterly earnings, $36 million. You got Curleaf, Kush, Tilt, Green Thumb Industries, Charlotte Webs, Cresco, one of my favorites. Illinois just went legal. Come January 1st, Illinois will be legal recreation. You will see Green Thumb Industry, Cresco Labs. MedMen also has dispensaries in Illinois. Right now, it's a big land grab. So, New Cannabis Ventures. Get to know this site. It breaks down everything for you. You can see American stock news. You see MedMen, first Florida medical cannabis dispensary. Why is Florida important? It has 100 million visitors a year. It's also looking to go legal. It's not legal yet. Liberty Health. Check out Liberty Health out of Florida. You got Hexo, quarterly earnings declined. So before you invest, make sure you do your own research. Cresco Labs delay in opening. Vertical announced. So you can just get a taste of different Canadian stocks. Canadian retailers. A Leaf announced a 35 million public offering, 8.5. A Leaf is one of my favorite penny stocks. I just did a show about a Leaf yesterday. So you guys could go into different parts of this site. It's an amazing site. Next favorite website is thefool.com, the Motley Fool. You guys will find great information from this. Every day they bring you new information on marijuana stocks, what's happening, what's not, who to invest in. They even got a section on how to invest in marijuana stocks. Should you invest in marijuana stocks? Timeline for marijuana legalization in the United States, how the dominoes are falling. Canadian stocks, they keep you interested in and updated on all the latest information. If you're invested in marijuana stocks, you want to be up on the new information. Now's a great time. May, June, July is a good time to buy marijuana stocks or any stocks that matter because the prices are much lower in the summer. People are going on vacation. A lot of the millionaires, billionaires are out spending their big money. So it's a great time to buy. You got a lot of cheap prices. So you could go into one of these timeline for marijuana legalization. It'll take you down the timeline, decriminalization versus legalization. As you guys know, the United States is going to be the biggest market for marijuana. And you're seeing state after state after state legalize it. So, time zone, 96, California, 98, Alaska voters, brings you down to a timeline. Let's go down to 2019. Okay, they didn't do 2019. But they take you down to the legislation and the timeline for legalization. Make no mistake, thefool.com, you'll get a lot of information from this site. So for my third marijuana stock site to research medical marijuana stocks is marijuanastocks.com. A lot of people are asleep to this website. This is an absolutely great site to research. You got the latest marijuana stock news. You also got the marijuana stock news down here as well. You can choose from a lot of different sections. It'll keep you on a lot of stocks news. Canopy growth. Of course, the acreage holdings. American, Canadian. You got the different sections. Also, you got down here. You got over here the stock quotes down here that you can follow. Marijuana political news. This kind of keeps you. Jamaica requests U.S. government to ease cannabis banking laws. What's going on with marijuana legalization? Are we close to legalization in the U.S.? Once you get the jump on the news, you get to jump on a lot of these stocks on what's going to go up, what's going to go down. What should you invest in? So you'll see a lot of this. It'll bring you a lot of these sites brought me stocks that I never even knew about. If you Google what's the best, you're going to see the exact same different Aurora Cannabis, Canopy. So you're not going to get all these marijuana stocks that are booming right now, like the Cresco Labs. You're not going to get that. So it got featured, latest marijuana stock news, list of marijuana stocks to invest in, a 1933 industry, trends, cannabis sector news. So check out this site. It's marijuanastocks.com. This is one of my favorite to check out. Now another great website is Reddit. This is another favorite website. This is just like a social media website. You create a profile, you join a community. I joined all cannabis stock communities, and every day it just brings me different information, stuff that I did not read about, that I did not hear about on some of the other sites, stuff that other articles that people run into. What they do is just post them here. And then this gets you jump in hemp in Florida. Somebody put just state cannabis investors.com. Somebody brought a new website. Harvest One Cannabis is ready to break out. Says this will get you some of those cheap marijuana stocks, those breakout stocks that nobody heard of. This will get you. And then over here you can see trending communities. So you can join other trending communities. But I've joined all marijuana stock communities. This is reddit.com. So it just brings you just personal stuff too, but it brings you a lot of 5 Canadian stock considered attractive on one capacity basis. So this will get you a lot of those cannabis tight supply when cannabis edibles become legal mid-December. Wow, I didn't know that. Canada is going to be legalizing edibles in December. So, and you know, once you see new stuff like this, you get to jump on it. Once you get to jump on it, now what I'm about to do is find out which companies are going to have those edibles. Start investing in that company. You may catch a penny stock that's 50 cents that goes up to $50. You never know. This is how you get to jump on it. Now, speaking of websites, Yahoo message board, whatever stock that you're interested in, what you want to do is, all you got to do is just Google, like I just Googled Madman Yahoo message board. Yahoo message board. And so you'll put like Madman Yahoo message board, this will come up. Everybody that has some information about that stock will put it here. They have their predictions, whether they think it's going to go up. They got their predictions, whether it's going to go down. So what I did was Madman's Yahoo message board. This is Madman's Yahoo message board. As you guys can see, that people are posting the latest articles. So they're saying West Palm Beach. This is their new, Madman's new, looks really nice location. Founded on Google Maps. These are new articles. Madman Enterprise, one of the largest cannabis dispensary operations in the U.S., is going to Florida as it continues to expand its operation. Madman, and they post different articles, and you can go through different articles and find out the latest news. So if you're interested in a stock, I advise you guys to go through these websites and find out about them. New Cannabis Ventures, the Yahoo message boards, the Reddit, and go through and read up on it. Find out what other people are thinking. Find out what the articles are saying. If the CEO has a scandal or stepping down, you can find it right here first. 5 states on the radar potential legalized adult use of marijuana, 2019, 2020. This is actually on the Fool.com. So this is good information here. This is something I want to find out right now. After Illinois just legalized marijuana. After Illinois. So one of the things I try not to do, I try to make it to where once I bring you guys information, I try to bring it as simple as possible. I watch some of these other YouTube channels and they're bringing you complicated charts and stuff like this, and you're like, what in the hell are you talking about? Should I invest or not, man? I try to bring you guys on how to do your own research. I try to simplify it for you. Therefore, I'm as a technical support specialist, when I get to the end user, I don't want to talk tech jargon. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Should you invest or should I not? What companies should I invest in? Should I not? What penny stocks? What big stocks should I invest in? So, I'm out of Illinois. I live in Illinois. Cresco Labs and Green Thumb are out of Illinois. Prisca just legalized it. Come January 1st, 2020. Best believe Cresco Labs has already got. And Madman is also here as well. So check out New Jersey, check out New York. Find out which companies are in New Jersey, New York. That article just told me New Jersey, New York may be the next to fall completely legal. Which companies are already there? Who has the most real estate in New York? Find out which companies are already in New York. Get the jump on that stock now. May, June, July are going to be perfect times to buy now that the stock prices are down now. Anyway, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know where you guys are from, what you guys think of this video, good, bad, ugly. Peace.